Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of quadratic transformations. So as per the problem, function g is a transformation of parent quadratic function f. Which statements are true about this function? Select all the correct answers. So we are given this quadratic function g at x. So let's analyze the answer choices. So let's start with the first answer choice. Function g reflected function f across the x-axis. The given equation for g at x is in vertex form. The general equation of a quadratic function in vertex form is a quadratic function gets reflected over the x-axis if the a value is negative. That means a should be less than 0. Now in the given function g at x, a value is equal to -1. There is an invisible one with the negative sign in front of the parentheses. So therefore, option A is correct. Now we can analyze the second answer choice. Function g translated the vertex from 0, 0 to -4, 6. From the equation of a quadratic function in vertex form, we can find the vertex of the parabola from h and k values. So the vertex is h, k. In the function g at x, the h value is +4 and k is equal to 6. The vertex of this parabola is 4, 6. That means option B is not correct because the translation happens from 0, 0 to 4, 6, not -4, 6. So option B is not correct. Now we can analyze option C. For function g, as x approaches -infinity, g at x approaches -infinity. For option C, we can sketch the parabola for g at x. The vertex of the parabola is at 4, 6. The direction of opening is downward because function g reflected function f across the x-axis. So the parabola should look something like this. As per this sketch of the parabola, we can see that as we go to the left side across the x-axis and approach -infinity, the parabola will keep going down towards the negative side of the y-axis and approach -infinity. Therefore, option C is correct. Now we can analyze option D. Function g is always decreasing. A function is decreasing if the function values decrease as the x values increase or as we go across the x-axis from left to right. We can see in this parabola that as we go across the x-axis from left to right or as the x values increase, the y values increase all the way to the vertex point of the parabola. That means the function is increasing from left to right as we approach the vertex. That means the function g is not always decreasing. Therefore, option D is not correct. Now we can analyze option E. Function g is always negative. As we can see in our sketch, a part of the parabola is above the x-axis. Therefore, function g is not always negative. Therefore, option E is wrong. A function is always negative if the graph is below the x-axis for all all x values. This is a very important concept we should understand and memorize. So the final answer for this problem should be options A and C. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.